with all my raging fire. Cause you ain't around and the silence cuts deeper than wire. I lay my cards on the table, playing a game of fate, turning off the lights as I seal my own escape. Now let me see who's shouting the loudest. I ain't got time to lift you from
Then give me lettuce. Also, lettuce is soft though. I buy lettuce in super. 200. Which time is thousand. Who you want to do thousand? So now it's so now spinach like this. How much? Eh? 800. Yeah, I go buy for spa. No worry. No problem. This red cabbage is how much? Eh? Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, stuck in. Welcome to today's video. So I just came back from the market, okay, and I'm going to be taking you guys along on what I bought. This is going to be like a market haul stroke cooking. I want to make smoked chicken stew. I already have soup and if you guys remember the last previous vlog I did that I cooked fish stew. The fish stew is already finished, so I want to make smoked chicken stew. Okay, then I'm going to be showing you guys the things I bought from the market. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share it, comment. This is cost of living in Nigeria. So anyway, these are the things I bought and I'll be taking you guys along. So here are some stuff, and at the downside here are some stuff. So let me set myself. Let me set myself on my haul. So I don't know if you guys can see me. Trying to make sure see me where. So this plantain, I got this plantain for 2,250. Yeah, this plantain, which is better. 2,250 for this plantain. I got some mango. I got 2 mangoes. This one for 1.5 for each of these. Not each, the 2 of them goes for 1.5. Then this is this thing, what they call it, zobo hibiscus leaf, 500 yen. I got this ones for the hibiscus, for the zobo. I want to do zobo. I got dates. I'm going to be using dates as my sweetener for the zobo. I got some apple. These 2 apple. My egg. This is my egg. Oh, this is egg, half crate. I got sugar. This is sugar, half mudu of sugar. I bought flour, 1 mudu of flour. This flour was going for 2,000. This sugar was going for 1.5. Yes, because a mudu of sugar is 3,000. Half is 1.5. There you go. I don't want water to touch this thing. Let me remove this. This is my stuff. All right. So, God have mercy. In here, I have oil, King's oil. I bought oil. I bought rice, 2 mudu of rice. I bought gari, 1 mudu of gari, and I got crayfish. This crayfish is 1,000 naira. I got another cinnamon. Since I've been liking cinnamon tea now, I got another cinnamon because it's good for bloating. Like if you are always having bloat, if you're always bloated, try cinnamon. Like your bloated will reduce. So I got patashi and tomato. This tomato is half basket of tomato. It's half basket of tomato. I got it. Leaking water. Oh, let me put this egg. So if I'm going to break it. So I got onions. This is onions. I got cucumber. This cucumber was going for 1.3. I saw 1.3, 1.2, and it's good because she gave me 1, 2, 3 for 1.2, which is a very good price. I bought chai seed. This chai seed, I bought it for 800 naira. And I bought this clove for 1,000. I finally found a sweet. Hey, Nepa, take my lights. Sorry, Nepa don't take lights. Nepa has to get the lights. So I finally found a very sweet cherry. I found a very sweet cherry, a very sweet one. This cherry is very sweet. So I bought the one of 1,000 naira. She gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I thought she gave me 8. I thought this 8 she gave me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I 7 there. I thought it was 8. But anyway, she said 7 for 1,000. I thought she put 8. Then I want to use this here to do this thing, to do my hair. Here is I got some strawberry. This strawberry is 1.5. Is it a good deal? Let me put it inside container for you guys. Let me know if it's a good deal or a bad deal for 1.5. I saw one that this lady displayed was very nice. I don't know how much she said she bought that in South Africa. So this one is 1.5. Oh. Is it a good deal for 1.5? Let me know in the comment section. Here is this thing, lettuce to eat salad. I got some lettuce and I got some carrot as well. This is carrot. This is Irish potato. Sorry, sweet potato. That is sweet potato. This is Irish potato. This is Irish potato. Irish potato. The other one is sweet potato. And I bought this one. Apple. I say apple. What do we call this name? Pineapple. I bought pineapple. That's it, guys. So this is everything I bought from the strawberry. This is what's the color? Tomato, patashi, strawberry. This is everything I bought. I'm now cooking soup. As I said earlier on, I'm just restocking things we don't have again. So just only this small thing, and I got this punch as well. Just all these things, only this small thing. We're taking our light too. So just only this small thing, and I spent close to 50 something thousand. Because I withdraw 60k, so let's say 50 something thousand plus minus 50 something thousand for just this stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this particular piece. So I'm going to blend the tomato and start cooking the stew, but I have to wait for NEPA to bring the light. NEPA needs to bring the light before I start bringing tomato, and I've not gotten the smoked chicken. I need to go to get those ones. I need to go to Spa and get that one before I start cooking this stew. So yeah, love, this is how I started my day. Right now it's 12 something. I need to eat. I don't know if I should take my oatmeal or I should eat the remaining food that is already in the pot. Or I don't know, sure. Oh, I don't know. Anyhow, I feel myself. Okay, maybe I'll take my oatmeal since I bought strawberry. I'll take the oatmeal with strawberry and banana. And yeah. So love, I'll show you guys my breakfast when I'm my lunch, not breakfast, it's lunch when I'm done. Yeah, I'll just show you guys my lunch when I'm done. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next light. So guys, this is my lunch. I have some apple. I say apple. Banana is inside. I miss the banana. I mashed the banana with the oatmeal together. So I put topping in some strawberry and chai seed. There's pumpkin seed inside. So I cooked pumpkin seed, oatmeal and banana. I mashed the banana and mixed everything together. Then added my 1 sachet of milk, like 50 gram. Then chai seed and then this one. So this one here is inside salty water. I don't have this in the house, what they call it, baking soda. So I'm using salty water to soak it before I put it inside freezer. I'm going to go and bring the tablet. He's going to go and bring this medicine on here. Yes, so you can feel it. This is how the smoked chicken is. So from the carton is already smoked and cooked. So what you just do is to add it to your food. Okay, so for me, I am going to real fry it because I don't want it to scatter inside my food. So I'm going to fry it so that to still have that fried taste as well. So I'm just going to be cutting everything in the pieces I want. For this kind of chicken, you can buy it for 9,000. Some places say it for 8,000 something. Okay, so this one, I got this one for 9,200. Yeah, where I bought it from. So some places sell it for 8,000, as I said earlier on, 8,000 something, depending on the sizes you are getting. So I'm just going to cut everything the way I want it. Then we move to frying because I want to fry it a bit so that it does not scatter inside my stew. Yeah, if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, beautiful comment. So this is me frying it. Okay, I just wanted to have that fried taste, and I'll be using the same oil I used to fry your chicken to cook this stew as well. So always use the oil you used to fry your chicken, your fish, your meat to cook your stew. It gives it that extra taste. So I have added my onions and tomato inside. I'm going to fry for like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'll know that the tomato has cooked before I add in the rest of my ingredients. If you've checked out my previous vlog in my evening routine, that was when I prep everything. Yeah, so the stew is ready. I'm going to be adding in my chicken inside, okay, and allow this to cook a bit, then it's ready. So loves, this is how I made the stew. It's super easy and it tastes so amazing. My family enjoyed it. Even hubby that does not like eating Nigerian stew actually enjoy this particular one. Okay, because maybe it's because of the smoky chicken taste he love about the stew. So I will see you on my besties in my next video. After this, I put the stew in my container, and yeah, so this is everything. This is what the stew is looking like, and I will transfer this when it's ready. I'll transfer it in my storage and put it in the freezer. So this stew is a 1 month stew for us.